Are you going to prank your friends? Don't you think your pranks might go wrong? Because any prank can backfire easily. Why? Watch it in our new videos of pranks that have gone wrong. Blackie is a real pro when it comes to beauty pranks. She sneaks in chocolate mascara and inseparable cotton pads to her friend. Pour chocolate topping into a clean mascara tube without a wiper. But the blue-eyed girl smells a rat. She has a nose for pranks, or for chocolate. She sees through her friend's prank immediately. Blackie is doing her victory dance. Not so fast! Get some chocolate makeup! Blackie wants to wipe the chocolate off her cheek as fast as possible. She takes cotton pads. Hey, friend, don't you remember it was you who put them here? Divide cotton pads into stacks. Sew through one of them and thread the rest. Hot glue the first and the last cotton pads to the stack to hide the thread. Put the cotton pads back into the package. Blackie wants to take out a cotton pad, but she takes out all of them. A team of cotton pads that is together forever. This prank is a success, but Blackie happened to be its only victim. Who would have thought that Blackie was a secret Oreo fan? She sneaks the cookies out of the cabinet all the time. But Blondie is fed up with these Oreo raids. She decides to teach a lesson to her friend. The secret will come to light when Blondie changes the Oreo filling. Open an Oreo package carefully. Take the filling off the cookies. Squeeze a clove of garlic into cream cheese and mix it. Spread the sauce over the cookies and make the cookie sandwich again. Put them back into the package and hot glue. I sneak in my garlic Oreo quietly. Let's see if my friend likes the new Oreo flavor. Blackie takes the package of the garlic Oreo and puts it into the cookie bowl. It turns out that she's taken the cookies for a tea party. I take one cookie from the bowl. Oops! I fall for my own prank. It's the garlic filling. It's raining outdoors and the blue-eyed girl hates getting wet. It's great that her friend has an umbrella. Open an umbrella and make small holes in it. The blue-eyed girl opens the umbrella. Surprise! This umbrella can be called a strainer. A perforated umbrella is a hot fashion trend of the season. The blue-eyed girl doesn't need to take a shower when she's got an umbrella like this. Blackie's gotten wet too, but the blue-eyed girl is not just cold, her mascara is smudged. The blue-eyed girl can't manage to find the best sleep position. Her body refuses to fit into the couch. What should she do? It's great that her caring friends made a pillow for her. Cut out a paper template of a travel pillow. Trace it on soft fabric. Cut out 2 details. Hot glue them together. Turn the pillow right side out and fill it with uncooked pasta. Hot glue the hole. I'm looking forward to the prank. The pasta will cause a lot of discomfort to my friend. But the blue-eyed girl falls asleep immediately as though she was born in a pasta factory. It turns out that I did her a favor instead of pranking her. Blackie is plotting another hard prank. She's made special sticky toast. Cut chewy candies in half and put them on a slice of bread. Cover it with another slice. Heat the sandwich in a microwave. Blondie doesn't suspect anything's wrong. Her friends made toast. One is a cheese toast, and the other is sticky and tricky. Blackie is spinning in a chair. Let it be a great prank!